Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going over 10 tips for keeping your smartphone in top shape. In our last video, we went over how important it is to keep this handy little piece of daily use tech in peak condition. With how often and for how much we use our smartphones, it's important to keep them running. If they fail on you at the wrong moment, the results can range from inconvenient to outright disastrous, and anything and everything in between. The old adage says, take care of them and they'll take care of you. That is particularly true of tech. Watch on for our tips on keeping your pocket buddy happy and healthy. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us this week. Remember to take care of your smartphone so that it will take care of you. You don't want to land yourself in trouble because it failed on you at the exact moment you couldn't afford it to. See you next time. Until then, take care of your tech and happy computing.